Oliver, a graphic designer, often struggled with lethargy and frequent colds, impairing his work-life balance. Seeking a change, he adopted mindful eating, focusing on consuming fresh, organic foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Coupled with routine vaccinations, this shift bolstered his immune system, reducing illness frequency and boosting energy levels. Over time, Oliver experienced improved digestion, vitality, and a clearer mindset, enabling him to excel in design projects with renewed creativity. His journey demonstrates the power of integrating mindful nutrition with preventive care, offering a holistic perspective on wellness.